Today I'm fixing a broken handle on the bathtub and shower. When I turn it, nothing happens. I'm pretty sure there's a broken piece inside. So I picked up a replacement. This Ergo Lev lever diverter handle, which is supposed to be universal. We'll see. I figured this would be a nice little upgrade over the stock handle that came with the tub. Step 1. Remove the old handle. Usually with these, there's a front face piece that pops right off, like that. Underneath, there's a screw holding it in place. Let's take that out. And it comes out easily. And there's the issue. You can see the broken plastic piece inside. It's not able to grab onto the flat sides anymore, which is the problem. So this actually turned out to be a good time to upgrade. Step 2. Prep the new handle. Let's pull this piece out. These universal handles usually come with a few different adapter options inside. Looking at the valve stem, there are 2 flat sides, so I need to find the right adapter to grab onto them properly. I'll start with 1 spacer. You can use 2 if you need more depth, or none if you don't need any, depending on how far the handle needs to sit out from the wall. Let's test the fit. Good, that fits. If it doesn't sit right, you can gently seat it down further. Since this piece is oriented this way, and I want it facing down, I'll place it in like that. Notches facing down. Then I'll add this adapter piece with the notches on the side pointing outward. Step 3. Secure the adapter. The kit comes with a small hex wrench, though you can use your own if you have one. I'll tighten the set screws, top and bottom. Okay, there's some movement. There we go. Tightened it down hand tight, which should be plenty. Step 4. Attach the lever. Now I'll place the lever on, flatten it out, and set it into position. Step 5. Final assembly. This kit comes with 3 different screw options and a small washer. I'll place the washer on the screw, insert it, and tighten it down nice and snug. Then I'll cap it off with the little black rubber cover. Step 6. Test it, and there we go. Let's give it a try. That's it. That's how you upgrade or replace an old broken plastic tub shower diverter handle.